Uy guys, Sunday Scoops para sa Tolits Reports. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Madison Square, Mandaluyong para sa isang job opening. Meron daw isang grupo na naghahanap ng magagaling na crew. Baka sakaling qualified ako. Tara! Ate. Magandang araw po. Magpapasa lang po sana ako ng resume.
Resume?
Kasi balita ko, naghahanap daw kayo ng magagaling na crew.
I Am Me, yung dance crew.
I Am Me? Yun nanalo sa America's Best Dance Crew?
Oo.
Ibig sabihin, nandiyan rin si Chachi Gonzales. Wow!
Uy, gising. Okay ka lang?
Okay na po ako. Kailangan makapasok. Babay po, sige. Hello.
Let's get ready to wait.
It seems like every time you give me signs and I miss it. I did it again. It seems like every time you give me signs and I miss it.
Crush mo po ba si Chachi Gonzales?
Yes.
Siyempre naman.
Oo.
Oo, talaga. Kung sasayaw mo siya, anong sayaw yon? Pakita mo naman sa amin, oh. Sample. Nice. Galing mo, kuya. Galing mo. How was your visit here in the Philippines?
It was really amazing, really crazy.
Your group is I Am Me.
Yes.
I just want you to know that I am yours. just joking. So, what is your message to our Filipino viewers out there?
You guys, you're so amazing and never stop believing in yourself. Keep trying hard, keep working hard, and yeah, I love you guys and thank you so much for everything you've done.
Can you teach our viewers some basic moves?
So, right, back, down, down. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, there you go.
Nice. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Ito po ulit ang Sunday Scoops para sa Sunday Fun Day. Para sa isa na namang nakaka-in-love na kaganapan. Ay, nakakaaliw pa lang. Ako po ulit, si PJ Forbes para sa Tolits Reports. Ano po, Chachi?